10 crazy facts you didn't know about space. There's so much about space, our solar system, and the galaxy that we still don't know. Space is vast, with billions of galaxies and stars and planets in our own solar system yet to be fully explored or understood. Knowledge of space is always evolving. There are, however, some really cool things we know about space right now. Number one, space is completely silent. There's no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Number two, the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system and has an average surface temperature of around 450 Celsius. Did you know that Venus isn't the closest planet to the Sun? That is Mercury. You would think that Mercury would then be the hottest, but Mercury has no atmosphere which regulates temperature, resulting in big fluctuations. Number three, a full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. While the entire suit costs a cool $12 million, 70% of that cost is for the backpack and control module. However, the spacesuits that NASA uses were built in 1974. If these were priced by today's pricing, they would cost an estimated $150 million. Number four, the sun's mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. The sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system, with a mass of around 330 million times that of Earth. Did you know that the sun is made up of mostly hydrogen, 3/4 worth, with the rest of its mass contributed to helium? If the sun had a voice, would it be high, squeaky, from all that helium? Number five, 1 million Earth can fit inside the sun. The sun is large enough that approximately 1.3 million Earths could fit inside if squashed in. Or if the Earths retain their spherical shape, then 960 million would fit. But can you visualize that number of Earths? Number six, there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. There are about 3 trillion trees on planet Earth and between 100 to 400 billion stars approximately in the galaxy. Number seven, the sunset on Mars appears blue. Just as colors are made more dramatic in sunsets on Earth, sunsets on Mars, according to NASA, would appear bluish to human observers watching from the red planet. Fine dust makes the blue near the sun's part of the sky much more visible, while normal daylight makes the red planet's familiar rusty dust color the most perceptible to the human eye. Number eight, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The universe extends far beyond our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which is why scientists can only estimate how many stars are in space. However, scientists estimate the universe contains approximately septillion stars. While no one can actually count every single grain of sand on Earth, the estimated total from researchers at the University of Hawaii is somewhere around 7 quadrillion 500 quadrillion grains. That is an awfully big sandcastle. Number 9. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. Number 10. There's a planet made of diamonds twice the size of Earth. The super Earth, aka 55 Conqueror E, is most likely covered in graphite and diamond. Paying a visit to that planet would probably pay for the $12 million spacesuit needed to get there. And if you enjoy this video, subscribe, like, and comment.